Okay, good morning students. So we have completed IIT yesterday. Level 1 we have completed now. Bits I gave the homework now. Level 1 you done. Next level 2. Today homework is in IIT. Level 2. Page number 30, 31, 32. Up to matching. Okay, you can do the homework. Today that one is the homework in IIT. And next, now we are going to the state syllabus. See the page number 30 children. Page number 30. Check your progress is there now. Find the product of the following. Here some products are given. Numbers are given. You have to find the products. Can you do children? Already I explained yesterday. Okay. Next, let's explore. Observe the figure. Fill the blue boxes with suitable decimal numbers. Here some numbers are given. You have to write answers in the blue boxes. 75.324. If you multiple with 100, what is the decimal point? Move to the right side 2 digits after. So what will get answer? 7532.4. Like that you should complete these 3 boxes. Okay children, that is the homework for you. Next, put the heading exercise 2.2. Find the product of the following. Put the heading in CW exercise 2.2. First question, right? Find the product of the following. (23.4) into 6. So here this is the decimal number and this is whole number. How can you multiple? Already I told yesterday. Given 23.4 into 6. First, what you should do? You should remove the decimal point. Okay, you should remove the decimal point. What is that number? 234 into 6. Multiple 6 4 24. 6 3 18. 18 plus 2 20. 6 2 plus 12 plus 2 14. 1404. So 234 into 6 is equal to 1404 is the answer. Now decimal point 23.4 into 6 is equal to what is the answer? Here decimal point after how many digits are there? Only 1 digit. So you should keep the decimal point after 1 digit from right side to left side. So what is the where you should keep the point? Here. So 140.4 is the answer. Okay, ma? Did you understand? Come on, write. Now fifth sum, see remaining sums you can do homework sum. 2, 3, 4. Fifth sum 25 into 2.013. 25 into 2.013. So what is given? Given 25 into 2.013. Now first what you should do? You should remove the decimal point and then do the multiplication. So 2013 into 25. 5 3 is 15. 5 1 5 plus 1 6. 5 0 0. 5 2 is 10. 2 3 6. 2 1 2. 2 zeros 2 2 is 4. 5 6 plus 6 12. 3 0 1 plus 4 5. So therefore 25 into 2013 is equal to what is the answer? 50,325. Now you should keep the decimal point. 25 into 2.013 is equal to, here see, after decimal point how many decimals are there? 3 decimals, 3 digits are there. So you should keep the decimal point from rightmost to left side. So 1, 2, 3. You should keep point here. Which means 50.325. Did you understand that? Right. Remaining sums you can do homework 2, 3, 4. Next, the second question, see children, fill in the blanks in the table. Here one table is given. See here, 36.21 into 10. What is the product? Into 10 means the decimal point move to the right side. Okay. The decimal point will move to here. How many zeros? 1 0. So the decimal point move to 1 digit to right side. That is 362.1. Next, second one, 23.104 into 100. So here into 100, how many zeros? 2 zeros are there. So the decimal point move to right side 2 digits. That means what is the answer? 2310.4. Okay. Like that you can do the homework children. This table you have to complete. This is the homework. Okay. Next, third Roman. Find the product. Third Roman, find the product. First one is 5.1 into 8.1. So both numbers are decimal numbers only. So given 5.1 into 8.1. Both are decimal numbers only. First what you should do? You should remove the decimal point. So 51 into 81. Multiple 1 ones 1, 1 and 5 is 5. 8 ones 8, 5 8s 40. 8 plus 5 30, 1 4. 4 1 3 1. So 51 into 81 is equal to 4131. Now keep the decimal points. 5.1 into 8.1 is equal to, here both are having decimal points is there now. So first number having decimal point after how many digits? 1 digit. Second number decimal point after how many digits? 1 digit. So 1 plus 1, how many digits total? 2 digits. Here 1 digit, here 1 digit. Total digits 2 digits. So you should keep the product. In the product you should keep the decimal point. From right side to left side, keep 2 digits after decimal point. 41.31. Did you understand? 1, 2. After you should keep the decimal point. Did you understand now? Right. Next, in the third Roman fifth sum I will tell 2, 3, 4 you can do homework now. 837.6 into 0.006. So what is given? Given 837.6 into 0.006. Okay. Now you should remove the decimal point and you have to multiply. 8,376 into here 0.006. So here leftmost numbers are zeros. So there is no value for leftmost zeros. So you should leave it zeros. What is the number? 6. Multiple. 6 6, 36. 6 7, 42. 42 plus 3, 45. 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 6 8, 48. 48 plus 2, 50. So therefore, 8,376 into 6 is equal to 50,256 is the answer. Now keep the decimal point. 837.6 into 0.006 is equal to, so first number having Decimal point of the how many digits? 1 digit. Next second number, decimal point of the how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So here 1, here 3. 1 plus 3, how much? 4. So you should keep the decimal point of the 4 digits from right side to left side. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4. So you should keep point here. 5.0256 is the answer. Okay? Right. So in the first Roman 2, 3, 4 homework and second Roman homework, third Roman 2, 3, 4 also do homework. Now see the fourth question. Ritesh reads a book for 2.5 hours every day. If he reads the entire book in a week, then how many hours altogether are required for him to read to the book? So Ritesh reads a book for 2.5 hours every day. He reads the entire book in a week. So how many hours altogether required for him to read to the book? In a week, how many days are there, children? 7 days. So for every day, he reads 2.5 hours. So for week, how many hours he read the book completely? You should find it. Okay. Number of hours to read the book. Number of hours to read the book every day. Every day, how many hours he read? 2.5 hours. Okay. Number of days in a week. Number of days in a week. In a week, how many days, children? 7 days. Okay. Now multiple these two, then we will get total hours. Okay. So therefore, number of hours all together are required for him to read the book is equal to 7 days into 2.5 hours. Multiple 7 5 35. 3 is remain. 7 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 how much? 17. Now where you should keep the decimal point? Here see one decimal point of the one decimal is there. So you should keep one of the decimal point from right side to left side. So you should keep point here 17.5 hours. So total time he required 17.5 hours. Okay children? Come on right.